All right, so now we're outside with the truck. So obviously I had to remove the top piece, which I got right there. It basically was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 mil screws, and then 2 tabs, and the piece just comes off. And obviously, yeah, I got the emblem removed already, which is right here. And then that's where it goes. And so once you get that removed, this flexes back. And you'll see these two poking out. And they're held by this. They're a 10 mil socket works on them. So, you know, you're just gonna have to squeeze your hands. Be careful, you know, you can bend the grill. Don't bend it way too far, because then, you know, you might crack it or something. So it gives you, so obviously here I got the new one. I still got the film on it, so I'm gonna leave the film until I'm done. And then it comes with adhesive. So actually I'm gonna remove the adhesive, and I just tried to put on this screw on here on the 2 black posts, and it goes on. So I might actually put these 2 back on here, and like it was on this one, and just tighten it down. So that's what I'm gonna do next. So next I'm just gonna put that on her and move on to the next step. All right, so this is what it looks like on. Obviously I'll get you more video of it with the truck out, how it looks. Man, it looks way better. Especially, you know, with the truck being black, it looks so much slick. It has the same thing that I did on the steering wheel. So if you haven't checked that out, you know, hit that top link, check out that one. And this is exactly how it looks when you put it back and remove it. So all these screws right here that you see following, and then these 2 tabs, and then this piece comes off. So all I'm gonna do is tighten all these down, put the tabs back in, and she's good to go. And on the, obviously I did push it down so the adhesive set, you know, it sat nice. And then I did put the 2 screws that were behind this on that. So it's secured by the adhesive and the 2 screws on the back of it. But I'll get you more video of how it looks once the truck is out. And I got the same style, everything for the tailgate. So now we changed the grill. We're doing the tailgate. And I also did the one on the steering wheel, and they all match. So all the 4 logos on this Explorer are actually my 2016 utility, are the same style as this one. So looks real sharp. I like it, especially, you know, being the truck that is black, just stands out much more. So let me put all this back together, and I'll get you guys a few shots of how it looks, you know, outside.